Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Our next topic in measurement is word problems. In that, the example is given. To make curtains for the drawing room, Rati's mother used 5 meter 60 centimeter of red cloth and 15 meter 50 centimeter of yellow cloth. Find the total length of both the clothes used to make the curtains. So, for making curtains, Rati's mother used two different clothes. That is, first is red cloth of how much centimeter or meter, that is 5 meter 60 centimeter, and one more is yellow cloth that is of 15 meter 50 centimeter. So what they ask, the total length, and for that total we used to do addition, that you know, right? So length of red cloth used is what? 5 meter 60 centimeter, and for length yellow cloth, that is 15 meter 50 centimeter. For the addition, we'll start from ones place only. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, and for that 1 will write in answer place and 1 is carry over to its next. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next number. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer here? 21 in meter. So 21 meter 10 centimeter. So how you will write the answer? You will write the total length of both the clothes used to make a curtain is 21 meter 10 centimeter. In that, the second is given. To reach his office, Mohan's father traveled 9 km 500 meter by bus and rest of the distance by auto. If his office is at a distance of 15 km from his house, how much distance does he travel by auto? So what is the total distance from his house to the office? That is 15 km, right? So for that 15 km, first Mohan's father traveled 9 km 500 meter by bus and remaining rest of by auto. So 9 km 500 by bus plus remaining by auto, and this is how he covered that 15 kilometers. So what the question is, how much distance does he travel by auto? And for that, what we need to do? We have to subtract this total 15 kilometer and 9 kilometer 500 meter, and for that first we'll write total distance. How much? 15 kilometer and 00 in meter. Now distance traveled by bus is how much? 9 kilometer 500 meter, and we'll do subtraction. Starting from ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is again 0, 0 minus 5. So as 0 is smaller than 5, so we need to take a borrow. So as 5 is there, it can give us 1. So if we take 1 here, how many will remain? 4, and this here become 10. So 10 minus 5 is become 5. Now 4 minus 9 is not possible, and for that we'll need to take a borrow. So if we take 1 from here, how many will remain? 0, and 1 10 plus 4 is become 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5, and 0 as it is. So what is the answer here? 5 kilometer 500 meter. So the Mohan's father traveled 5 kilometer 500 meter by auto. This is how we have to solve, and from this we'll start our exercise 4.6. So first is given, in a sport event for children, the sack race is conducted for 12 meter 30 centimeter, and the lemon and the spoon race is conducted for 15 meter 40 centimeter. Find the total distance run by children. So there are two races, that is sack race and lemon and spoon race. So for total distance we have to find for that races. So sack race is how much distance they have conducted? Sack race is equal to, in which form the units are given meter and centimeter. So first we'll make two columns, that is meter and centimeter. Now how much meter? 12 meter and 30 centimeter. And lemon race, so lemon and sack race, sorry, lemon and spoon race, lemon and spoon race. How much kilometer? For 15 meter 40 centimeters. So 15 is in meter column and 40 is in centimeter column. And as they ask for total distance, we will do here addition, right? So for that, starting from ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 5 is again 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer here? 27 meter 70 centimeter. So how will you write the answer in the form of words? Therefore, total distance run by children is 27 meter 70 centimeter. This is how we have to write. Now next is length of electrical wire from pole A to pole B is 50 meter 40 centimeter, and from pole B to pole C is 35 meter 80 centimeter. So what is the total length of the wire from A to C? So how many poles are given? 3 poles, A, B and C pole. So the distance between A to B, the electric wire is how much distance? How much length? 50 meter 40 centimeter. And from B to C pole, the length of the wire is 35 meter 80 centimeter. And we have to find the total length again. So again what we will do? We will again perform the addition. And first we have to write length of wire from pole A to pole B. So first we have to make two columns, that is meter and centimeter. So meter and centimeter. So pole A to pole B, how much length is there? 50 meters. So 50 is in meter column and 40 is in centimeter column. Now next is length of the wire from pole B to C. How much? 35 meters. So 35 is in meter and 80 is in centimeter. And as they ask for total length, we'll again perform here addition. Now starting from ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 is how many? 12. 4 is, count 8 after 4. So after 8, how many total? 12, right? So 2 and 1 carry over to its next. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is the distance, total length of the wire? 86 meter 20 centimeter. So we'll write in the form of answer total length of wire from pole A to C, that is 86 meter 20 centimeter. Now next is third, Nirav's school is at 500 meter from home. His father drops him at school and travels 8 kilometer 320 meter to office. Find the total distance from Nirav's home to his father's office. So the distance of the school from Nirav's home to his school is given 500 meter, and his father drops him that distance and then he go to his office. That is of 8 kilometer 320 meter away from his school. So what they ask? Total distance. So for that we'll again perform addition. So for that we have to write here distance of school from home. So two columns we have to make, that is of kilometer and meter. So kilometer and meter. So 5 kilometer and 500 meter. And distance of office from school. How much? 8 kilometer 320 meter. So 8 is in kilometer and 320 is in meter. And as they ask for total distance, we will again perform addition. Starting from ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 5 plus 8 is 12. Sorry, 5 plus 8 is 13. So 13 kilometer 820 meter. So this is the total distance. Total distance from home to office. That is 13 kilometer 820 meter. Now next, fourth is given. The height of building A is 39 meter 50 centimeter and that of building B is 28 meter 80 centimeter. So which building is taller and by how much? So two buildings are given, building A and building B. So height of building A is 39 meter 50 centimeter and building B is 28 meter 80 centimeter. So which one is bigger, 39 or 28? You obviously say A. But what they ask, how much? And for that we have to do subtraction, right? So we need to write here height of building A is equal to two columns, that is in meter and centimeter. So meter and centimeter. So 39 meter 50 centimeter. And second building is B. Height of building B. How much? That is 28 is meter and 80 is in centimeter. And how much? For that we'll perform here subtraction. Starting from ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 8, possible? No, as 5 is smaller than 8, we can't subtract it. So we'll take 1, borrow from it next. If we take 1, how many will remain here? 8. And here is become 15. So 15 minus 8. Now how many? Count after 8 up to 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 7. So 7. Now 8 minus 8. How much? 0. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the answer? 10 meter 70 centimeter. So you will write the answer is, therefore building A is taller than B by 10 meter 70 centimeter. Okay. Now next is fifth one. Students of the class 3 went to see the botanical garden. While going, the bus covered a distance of 16 km 400 meter, and while coming back to the bus covered a distance of 15 km 700 meter. Which way of the journey was longer and by how much? Okay, so class 3 students went to see the botanical garden, and the distance they covered while going is 16 kilometer and 400 meter, and while coming back they covered the distance 15 kilometer 700 meter. So what they ask, which one is the longer distance, which one is longer, 15 kilometer or 16 kilometer? That is 16 kilometer. But how much they ask. So for that we have to write here distance while going in kilometer and meter. So we'll make two columns, kilometer and meter. So 16 kilometer 400 meter, and distance while coming, that is 15 kilometer and 700 meter. So how much distance longer first one is, that we have to find, and for that we'll perform here subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is again 0, 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we'll take 1 borrow from it next. So next is 6, if we take 1, how many will remain? 5, and here is become 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7, and 5 minus 5 is here 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much longer is there? 700. So 0 kilometer and 700 meter. So you will write the answer. Therefore first way is longer, right? By how much meter? That is 700 meter. So this is how you have to solve. While doing this, we have to make the columns like this: kilometer, meter, meter, centimeter. I hope you understand this.